I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack.
Excuse me, not for me.
Extra income? Hindi na kaya ako. PM muna ako dyan. Pas muna ako.
Extra income? No. For OFW, I'm already British.
Inversión en Pilipinas. No quiero invertir en las Pilipinas. No quiero tener riesgos.
Extra income?
No, alam ko na kayo yan.
Extra income? Hindi ko na kailangan yan. Stable na ang trabaho ko.
Extra income? Ayoko nga! May duty pa ako!
Extra income? Oh my God, that is so jolly.
Extra income? Busy ako? Ayoko na.
Extra income? Eh, Nora, manon perme.
Laki-laki kaya ng sweldo ko.
I don't have time for that. Let's enjoy life.
Hindi naman ako magtatagal sa abroad eh.
Teacher kaya ako, and I know everything.
I am working in the best company.
Coffee is life, and shopping is lifer.
In Italia, la vita è bellissima.
Kontento na ako sa aking trabaho.
Oo nga, no? What if kung mag-close yung company natin?
Mamma mia!
I lost my job! Ho bisogno di lavoro, per favore!
Oo nga, no? I only build others dream.
I hate you, Judith! Malapit na, Judith, na credit card ko! Oh, meron pa pala akong hindi alam. Sige lang ba akong stress? Oo nga, no? Nakakapagod na. Judith na lang
ba ako ng Pilipino?
Oo nga naman. Pilipino pa rin ako at ang aking pamilya. Kaya karapat-dapat lang na magpundar sa Pilipinas. Nakakapagod na rin magtrabaho. Kailangan din talaga natin ng extra kita.
You're right. Hindi naman masama mag-extra income, di ba? I need to invest now. Grazie mille for the new opportunity. I wanna build my own wealth in my own term. I wanna plan for my future.
Excited to learn more and earn more. Gusto ko, pagtanda ko, yung may magsiswerte naman sa akin.
No! It's time to care for my future.
Extra income? I love that. Tara! Paano ba yan? Employee today, entrepreneur tomorrow.
Employee today, entrepreneur tomorrow. Employee today, entrepreneur tomorrow. OFW today, OF winner tomorrow.
Employee today, entrepreneur tomorrow. OFW today, OF winner tomorrow.
OFW today, OF winner tomorrow.
OFW today, OF winner tomorrow.
OFW today, OF winner tomorrow. OFW today, OF winner tomorrow.
Yung dinanas ko, I started from waiter, then sa sipag, naging manager ako ng mga hotels. Bakit ako na-involved itong real estate? Kasi nakilala ko rin itong friend ko na nag-aalok ng properties. Imagine ilang beses niya akong in-invite sa mga seminar, almost 1 month. Hindi ko talaga siya pinagbigyan. Kasi alam mo na pag nasa hotel ka, sobrang busy. At saka I'm not into investment kasi naisip ko rin naman that time, okay naman yung trabaho ko. Manager, ang laki na sahod, tapos libre pa lahat. Pero hindi ko nabilang na 10 taon na pala ako sa abroad, wala pa akong naipundar. What if mawalan ako ng trabaho? What if tatanda ako? What if may mangyari sa company? So, saan ako pupulutin? So, pinagbigyan ko yung friend ko na puntahan yung seminar sa office. Doon namulat lahat mindset ko regarding about investment. Ang real estate pala, ang pinaka-ultimate investment for the OFW kasi hindi mo kailangang bayaran ng malaki, wala kang ilalabas na malaking pera, monthly payments lang. So, I act immediately in spite of the fear I felt that time. Pero isipin nyo lang, kung palagi kayong takot, wala ding mangyayari sa buhay nyo. All successful people undergo risk, pero the good thing is they took that risk. And all the best things in life happen also in the other side of your fear. So I took risk that time. I invest one property. 2013, the price that time was just 1.4 million, Studio City. Pero imagine ngayon, magkano na ang properties dyan? Nasa mga almost 4 million, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. So tignan nyo lang ang kinita ko na wala akong ginagawa. I'm just sitting here sleeping, but my wealth in the Philippines are growing. While you sleep, you're earning. Di ba? Tapos you're letting your money work for you, not you working for money. Ang nakakapagod kasi na tayo palaging naghahanap ng pera, naghahapon kumita, gumising ng maaga para kumita ng pera. Pero andyan para yung property, kahit hindi ka gigising ng maaga, kahit nagbabakasyon ka, kahit tulog ka, kumikita ka ng pera. The good thing is package deal pa. Sabi ng agent ko, kami na rin yung magpaparent dyan. Binayaran ko siya sa loob ng 24 months. Imagine, hindi pa umabot ng 24 months na turnover, na parentahan agad yan ng Freedom Cares. Imagine guys, yung tenant ko ngayon, still siya pa ngayon. I think 6 years na siyang nakatira dyan. Well, hindi ko pa nakita ang unit ko. Hindi ko kilala ang tenant ko. Hindi ko pa napasok ang unit ko kasi inalagaan ng Freedom Cares, which is part din ng company. Ito pa yung maganda, self-liquidating ang property ko. Hindi na ako nagbabayad nung na-turnover na kasi yung bayad ng tenant, dun din, yun lang din yung pambayad ng property ko. And that's the reason bakit naging 7 ang properties ko. Hindi ko akalain na, makakarami ka pala ng properties. Bakit? Once na maparentahan, hindi na ikaw magbabayad eh. Kumikita ka pa. Then I bought another one. Hanggang naging 7 siya. Itong properties ko, 4 na condominium, 1 condotel, 2 house and lot. 4 din, kumikita na ng rent. Ang sarap talaga ng pakiramdam. So that's the reason bakit din ako nag-retire as early as 40s. I was 40 years old. Nag-retire na ako at nag-focus ako sa real estate. Bakit? Ito din yung maganda. Meron ding business na binigay itong Freedom Business. You buy properties and you sell with us. That's the reason why I earned 11 million. Sa loob ng 7 years, half of the year, part-time ko lang. Huwag lang kayong complacent sa mga trabaho nyo. Huwag kayong matakot kasi pag takot kayo palagi, walang mangyayari sa buhay nyo. Habang buhay kayong magpapayaman sa mga amo nyo. Payamanin nyo sarili nyo. Huwag kayong maghintay. Bakit? Hindi kayo hihintayin ng properties. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Ang real estate, guys, habang buhay yan, nagmamahal. Habang buhay, nag-a-appreciate.